Well, a whole lot of fun. I've been out everywhere now, and I don't stay home much anymore. You know, I'm feeling good about it, real good. It's like a miracle.
When I met my husband, I knew right away he was that special guy. He was smart and successful, but he was really worried about his thinning hair. It never bothered me a bit, but it bothered him a lot. I was thrilled to hear about Dr. Larry Shapiro. With Dr. Shapiro, Mike could have his own hair transplanted to thinning areas where it would grow naturally. When you really love someone, the most important thing is their happiness.
Dr. Shapiro, Hair Institute.
I always had a thick head of hair, and I noticed that I started to recede. I considered a number of things. A hair piece, which I have a number of friends that have, and it's very unnatural. You got to mess with the potions, the glues, and the constant is very expensive. This procedure is inexpensive, and then you feel very comfortable with it. The hair is not falling into the sink like it has in the past, and like I said, it's very full, it's undetectable, and I'm very happy with the procedure.
In my office, I do meet with everybody personally, and I spend a lot of time with my patients. You know, unlike other places that have salespeople that call themselves medical consultants, and you really don't get to meet with the doctor. In my office, I'll meet with you. But it's very important to realize that we like to meet both the husband and the wife if, you know, they want to come in and join in on this, because it's a very important decision. And if the wife is losing hair or the husband's losing hair and they have a spouse that wants to come along and come into the consultation, meet with me, we do that. We think it's very important. It's a joint decision. It's something that, you know, it's nice to have the family support to come in and have, when having a hair transplant, to go through it with both of them. We do this all the time.
It's a permanent procedure. You don't have to maintain it. You don't have to keep going back, and you'll have it for the rest of your life. Talking with Dr. Shapiro and going through the procedure was a dream come true. It was something that I wish I had done years prior, without a doubt. I feel very, very good getting up in the morning, and I don't have any more hair loss. Gives you a little more motivation. There's no doubt about that. Get that youthful feel and look back. You just really can't go wrong.
It really is a miraculous procedure. It's very simple. It takes a few hours, and it takes, you know, several months, and your hair is starting to grow in. Just come into my office, call our toll-free number, and again, I will speak with you personally.
I've got more hair, my friends have less hair as the years progress, but I feel good. You know, I think that appearance is important, you know, especially in the day and age that we're in. And I feel good about my hair. It makes me feel confident. When I look in the mirror, I feel good. I look good. I feel that I look good.
Hair now, hair forever. Dr. Shapiro, Hair Institute.
I've done thousands of cases, and I've noticed over the years that people come to me just not for personal reasons, but they come to me for professional reasons. They might be in a profession where competitiveness is very important to them, and looking younger and looking their best is very, very important. Whether you're a stockbroker or a lawyer or a doctor or anything that you're in the public's eyes, hair makes a big difference. And, you know, I've noticed that the people that come back and they have their hair done, they tell me that, you know, maybe it increased their sales. It did something for them. It made them more marketable. And, you know, we've never really looked at it from the point of view, because we always think this is a very personal thing. But people do come here for the business side. And, you know, having hair will enhance yourself, enhance your looks. It'll make you feel younger. And, you know, it does help in all aspects of your life.
Well, I started losing I'm 28 years old. I'm 29 now, but at 28 I started losing the hair. It took a little bit longer and longer each time I'd go into the bathroom to get ready to go out. And finally, watched the commercial, watched the infomercial, made an appointment, and came in. There was quite a few people out in the waiting room, so just like everybody else would do, you kind of look around at everybody's head and wonder if they've had it done or if they're getting it done. And then he takes you around, Dr. Shapiro meets with you, takes you around and shows you different people at different times that they've had the procedure and the growth factor of the hair, and gives you a consultation, shows you your hairline, shows you, because I didn't have one, so he drew one on my head and showed me what it would be, and sure enough it was. I used to use topical agents on my hair, anywhere from shampoos to aerosol sprays, and the one thing about those is whatever it did bring in, it would eventually fall out if I stopped using it. So I thought about I'm 28 years old, if I times that till I'm 60 years old, and opposed to going in for a 2-hour procedure and having it done for life, that made more sense to me. It's nice, looking for some more hair. That's why I'm back in here now, but it's been good. I don't have to worry about taking an hour to get ready in the morning, and it doesn't really matter if the wind blows anymore, so that's the good part. I think it does. I mean, I'm a physical therapist. I've been in business, and I have my own business, and I think it does make a difference on people, you know, that I'm not older, that I look younger, that I stay younger and staying fit, and the more hair you got, unfortunately, the more fit you look. And, you know, being 28, at the time I had this done last year for the first time, 28 years old, you know, you're 28, you don't really want to be losing your hair, and then bottom line is when you go to a bar and you're out there to look kind of good, and, you know, as you start to recede, you start to look old, you get a little more self-conscious, and that's where the more hairspray comes in. That's where you hope it doesn't blow wind outside when you just meet somebody. So it's nice just not to, one more hassle to have to worry about. That's just one thing you don't have to worry about.
Micro mini grafts are a very specialized art. And I say the word art because it really takes a certain type of eye to be able to give you that natural looking hairline. And having done thousands of cases and seeing people come in, we try to tailor the hair so it will match your face. Experience is very, very important with this procedure. This isn't something that is done on a conveyor belt. It's done on a personalized level. I consider each of my patients a work of art. I like to think that they get the satisfaction as much as I do of seeing their hair grow. This is something that every single patient that has it done is going to see the rest of their life. We like to think that when they wake up in the morning and they see their hair and they see how nice it grows, that they say to themselves, Dr. Shapiro did a great job on me. And that's what this is all about. It's about personalized care and personalized satisfaction for each and every patient that comes through here.
The one good thing about Dr. Shapiro's office is that the staff is nice. Since we decided to do the procedure, they've made numerous phone calls to make sure that I'm following the preoperative protocols. As soon as you come in here, they give you food, they give you drink, they make you feel comfortable, and that, you know, that's the nice part about it. It's just because it's something different, it's something you don't do every day, and it's nice to have people that make you feel comfortable with that.
I would suggest if you want to know more about hair transplantation and meet with me personally, Dr. Shapiro, call our toll-free number. You know, if you're one of those people out there who's just sitting at home and you're saying to yourself, I've been thinking about this procedure 3 to 4 years already. I've probably heard of Dr. Shapiro. I've heard of this procedure. And you're sitting at home saying to yourself, you know, why not call? Why shouldn't I do something right now? You can call because our consultation is absolutely free. We'll give you all the information you need to know about hair loss.
I'm a lawyer, and appearance is important to me. I do a lot of trial work. I didn't want to go bald. You know, I saw my friends going bald, and I didn't want to go bald. I would say to them that they should do it. I think it's, if they care about their appearance, if they're concerned, if they feel uncomfortable about their hair loss, they should do it. It's a painless procedure. It's not invasive. It's not an inconvenient procedure. You take a day off of work, and the next day you're back at work.
It's nice. Looking for some more hair. That's why I'm back in here now, but it's been good. I don't have to worry about taking an hour to get ready in the morning. And it doesn't really matter if the wind blows anymore, so that's the good part.
You know, it's such a simple procedure. There's little or no downtime. You can go back to work the next day. We'll arrange with you to have a free consultation. You can meet with me for 1 hour. We'll go over all your hair loss problems. Any questions you have, we'll be glad to explain it to you. We'll go through, we can even show you a procedure. We can show you patients that have come in. You know, we have people coming in and just coming back to us, showing us their work after it's grown out. We'll be glad to arrange somebody for you to meet with. You know, I have had people come and go, get their hair. In about 3 to 6 months, their hair is growing beautifully. Call our toll-free number right now.